Ever wondered if there's a tool out there that can help you organize your life, your projects, and your goals, all in one place? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into Asana. Asana is a popular project management tool often used by teams and businesses. But can you use it for personal use? And if so, is it free? Let's find out. The basics of Asana. Brief overview. Asana is a cloud-based application that allows you to create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. It's designed to help you stay organized and productive. Key features. Projects. Create different projects to represent various areas of your life, like work, school, or personal goals. Tasks. Break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Deadlines. Set due dates for each task to stay on track. Assignees. Assign tasks to yourself or others to delegate responsibilities. Comments. Leave comments on tasks to communicate and collaborate. Attachments. Attach files to tasks for reference or sharing. Asana for personal use. Is it suitable? While Asana is primarily designed for teams, it can be a valuable tool for personal use. If you're someone who struggles with organization, Asana can help you stay on top of your tasks and goals. Benefits of using Asana personally. Enhanced productivity. Asana can help you prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination. Improved time management. By setting deadlines and tracking progress, you can better manage your time. Goal achievement. Asana can be used to create and track your personal goals. Centralized organization. Keep all your tasks and projects in one place for easy access. Is Asana free for personal use? The free plan. Asana does offer a free plan that includes many of the essential features for personal use. This includes creating projects, tasks, setting deadlines, and assigning tasks to yourself. Limitations of the free plan. While the free plan is sufficient for many personal users, it does have some limitations. For example, you may have a limit on the number of projects or team members you can add. Paid plans. If you need more advanced features or want to remove limitations, Asana offers paid plans with additional features like advanced reporting, custom fields, and unlimited team members. Getting started with Asana. Creating an account. Signing up for Asana is quick and easy. You can create an account using your email address or sign in with Google or Apple. Setting up your workspace. Once you've created an account, you'll need to set up your workspace. This is where you'll create projects, tasks, and assign them to yourself. Customizing your workspace. Asana allows you to customize your workspace to suit your preferences. You can add custom fields, change the layout, and more. Tips for using Asana effectively. Break down projects. Divide large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Set realistic deadlines. Set deadlines that are achievable but challenging. Prioritize tasks. Use Asana's features to prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Use tags and labels. Add tags and labels to tasks to organize them and make them easier to find. Utilize automation. Asana offers automation features that can help you save time and reduce manual work. In this video, we've explored whether Asana can be used for personal use and if it's free. We've learned that Asana is a valuable tool for personal organization and productivity, and that it offers a free plan with many essential features. If you're looking for a way to stay organized and achieve your goals, I encourage you to give Asana a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.